beautiful people, it's Karen. I hope you are having a sublime day. I just pulled a bunch of vegetables off the vine and it's lunchtime, so I think I'll use some of them and make lunch. So I'm going to do some stuffed zucchini. Let's go take a look at the ingredients that we need. To make the stuffed zucchini, you will of course need zucchini. I'm going to recommend that you get small to medium sized ones because we're going to use one as a single serving, and so it'll be easier if it's not a huge zucchini. We're going to stuff this with some sort of oats. I'm using basmati oats and lentils, but you can use anything that you have in the house. You can use brown rice, you can use farro, you can use white rice, anything that you'd like. Just some sort of oats you're going to use to stuff it with. Then we're going to have a medley of other vegetables. I've got peppers and onions that I'm going to use. So I've got some sweet peppers, I've got some sweet red, I've got a sweet yellow, and then I've got some hot peppers. I've got a hot banana, and I've actually got a sweet banana as well. I pulled a tomato as well. If you're using a tomato, make sure that you seed the tomato because you don't want this to be all runny. Then we're going to use some cheeses, any type of cheese that you like. I'm using provolone, and the one cheese that you will need to top this with is Parmesan. And those are your ingredients. I'm going to cut the head off of the zucchini. When you're cutting the zucchini, you want to cut the top third off because you want to make a boat of this. And that will give you more real estate in order to actually stuff the zucchini. And once you've done that, you want to take a spoon and we're just going to scoop out the seeds of the zucchini. So at this point, we have hollowed out our zucchini. We've chopped all of our vegetables, and we're about ready to saute them. We're going to saute our vegetables in a bit of coconut oil for about 5 minutes so that they get a little bit soft and translucent. So at this point, what you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 because once the vegetables are cooked, we're going to combine them with whatever grain you have chosen, and we're going to stuff our zucchini, and we're going to cook that for about a half hour. Add the grains to the mixture. Lastly, you want to toss in your cheese. After your zucchini is stuffed with your pepper mixture, the last thing you want to do is to coat the entire surface with Parmesan, and then we're going to put that in the oven at 350 for a half hour. Don't cook the zucchinis for more than a half hour because if you do, what will happen is the zucchini will start to sag and then your mixture will fall out. And there's no need to do that because a half hour perfectly cooks the zucchini. Out of the oven and looking yummy. This stuffed zucchini can be served as a main course as I'm having it here for lunch. It can also be served as a side. Make it and enjoy. Cheers. Hello, beautiful people. I hope you enjoyed the recipe for stuffed zucchini. If you did, hit the subscribe button and you will never miss another one of my videos. So until we meet again, think sublime thoughts.